QingHan Garment Accessories Company Limited, established in 2015, which is a modern enterprise integrating labels, patches design, research, development, production, trade, and service. We focus on research various of garment badge. Our main products including woven label, printed label, embroidery patch, TPU embossed patch, silicone printed label, PVC patch, heat transfer label, hangtags, webbing. Products are widely used in all kinds of clothing, shoes, and hats, home textile products. With the development and in order to better serve customers, our company has established several sales branches, such as Shenzhen QingHan Woven Label Company Limited, Shanghai QingHan Garment Accessories Company Limited, Xiamen QingHan Company, QingHan International Hong Kong Company Limited, Huizhou QingHan Garment Accessories Company Limited. We invested tens of millions of yuan to introduce a lot of advanced and automatic equipment for production. We also invested millions to purchase advanced testing instruments for the new laboratory, mainly for brand customers to do chemical, functional, physical testing to ensure the quality problems for customers. With the advancement of sustainable development, Huizhou QingHan Garment Accessories Company Limited also has obtained certificate of GRS and FSC. In order to increase the recycling of waste and waste reduction, we adhere to the research and development and production of environmental regeneration product, such as woven label, embroidery patch, TPU patch, silicone patch, printed label, leather patch, and all kinds of hang tags.